Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Christina Maddox, and I'm with Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. I'm here today bringing Xcaret to you. Xcaret is a property in Playa del Carmen. It is 150,000 square feet. With the price of Xcaret, it's all-inclusive price, and 9 parks is included. Right now, I am staying in a one-bedroom luxury ocean view suite. I wanted to show you what that looks like and what the options are here. So first and foremost, I'm going to turn the camera around. So this is your view from your bed, okay? So if you were at your bed, this is your view. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, this artwork here, okay? So that's your view. You have your station over there with water, coffee, and they have snacks there. Your television is there. Your phone, as you can see, it says Xcaret Hotel. Space for your luggage. This is a king size bed here. Your phone and all your lighting and how to operate it here, and your air conditioning can all be controlled there, and that's your remote. When you walk in, that's the door that you walk in. Your bathroom area is like so. So you walk in, you have a dual sink bar, which I think is very swanky of them to do this. You have tissue here at the bottom, your trash can, dual sink bar that works. What's really great is they always give you brand new soaps. This is a rosemary mint soap here. And you have products here exclusively to Xcaret, and you have your makeup mirror. To the left, you see here, you have your jetted tub, towels, bubble bath, and bath salts. That's included, okay? Then you have your towel here. You have a sliding glass door going into your bathroom area. So if you were entertaining, your bathroom area would be private. In this area, you have here, as soon as you walk up, it lights. You have your robes, umbrella here. You also have your iron and ironing board, okay? Slide it this way, and you have your safe, okay? And ample enough room for clothing, extra pillows. Then you have your toilet area, which is closed off. In this area, which I thought is really cool, is that here you can see your room in the toilet area. You hit this button, and now you have privacy. I think it's really great that they did that. Then you have your shower here. The door goes in. You have a rain shower. And you also have your handheld. This swings in and out, okay? Your products there that comes along with that. Everything's there. Now, what I wanted to also show you is the deck area, because this space is absolutely amazing. So, everything about Xcaret is the views. This is your luxury one-bedroom ocean view suite. And so these are your views right outside your room here. View of the church there, ocean view. That's your space, okay? That's your view. If you're interested in this property, contact Heaven Sent Wedding Consultants and Travel Agency. My direct dial is 267-334-0301. If you wanted to be here at Xcaret, contact me to book your space here. Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.